This is a video review for my Smartbin. The brand sent me this in exchange for an honest and fair review. You could use this for a trash can, or you could also use it as a compost bin. I'm going to show you exactly what's in it. It's about 4 liters. So first you could open it like this if you want to put stuff in, or it also slides open like this, the lid. So when you get this inside, you're going to get an attachment right here, so you can mount this to the wall if you want. You get another attachment right here, so that's going to go in the back right here, and I'm going to hang this in my kitchen and show you what it looks like. And then we also get these bags. This is really nice design wise, feels really nice. So let's go get this up and I'll show you how it looks on the cabinet. So I installed the hooks on the back and you see the bracket right there, just right in there. Super simple. I have the garbage pail here, it's right above the sink. So if we wanted to just put something in there, you could do that. I have the bag installed. And then once the bag is done, you could just take it out. That's a really nice feature to have the bag in there, so you don't have to worry about having to wash this out. If you were looking for a great bin, could not recommend this one enough.